What should the purpose be of an e-commerce migration?
Usually the purpose is, as I said, like if there are some things that don't help the business to develop. For example, a migration from Magento to Shopify. If you feel that the content management system does not have or is too expensive for you, or does not have the features that you're looking for, this is mostly a business decision. Especially when it comes to content management system, this is mostly a business decision than, for example, an SEO decision, unless you're in some, for example, Wix or something like that, and you want your website to be huge and you have lots of products, have lots of flexibility, and then you're moving to, let's say, WooCommerce.